guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I'm looking a little crazy right now, but I had to come back and show you guys a wig that I have been wearing. I've done many videos using this wig, and iMovie's deleted all of my videos. In every video that I'm gonna redo, I'm gonna let you know the reason why I'm redoing it and the reason why, and it's because of iMovie's. iMovie's deleted all my videos for some reason while I was editing a video, and it was over 20 videos. So I'm having to recreate videos and put them out there for you guys. If you're new, welcome. If you're an oldie but a goodie, hey boo, I see you. I am your favorite girl, A.MaRee, and we're doing a hair video. This hair, I can't do an unboxing or none of that because I've already wore it. The first time I wore it was to my grandmother's funeral, and I had a whole video of a funeral appropriate type of makeup and outfit look, but I lost it. So we're gonna be talking about ATZ wig, and like I said, I've already worn it. This is a 14-inch, I believe, bob, and it's a 4x4 lace front. Like, it looks like this. And you could use this wig, you could wear this wig, let me say, with or without glue, with or without baby hairs. So I like it. It comes with 2 combs on the sides and a comb in the back with the elastic adjustable band. I wore this wig, like I said, at my grandmother's funeral. That was the first time I wore it, and I actually really liked it. So I will insert pictures of that day, that actual day of me wearing the wig, and many times that I wore the wig as well. But I can't really give you guys like a full hair tutorial on it because it's already, the lace been cut off of it. I've worn it with glue, etc, etc. So I did want to just go ahead and put it on and give you guys a review on it. It is a Amazon company, but it is a nice loose wave to it. Like I say, you can wear it with or without baby hairs. I decided today that I could wear it without baby hairs and just pop this bad boy on. This is a good wig to throw on and go. This is how the wig looks. Like I said, you could throw this on and go. I did wear this for my grandmother's funeral, and it looked really nice. It is a natural color wig, and it sits right at the shoulders, which is really cute. And like I said, it's a loose wave, and you could just take it and go. I wear this wig a lot to work, and it works with me and for me for work, as well as I will wear this on the weekends, like for my boys' games and stuff. When I don't feel like doing my hair, I would throw this bad boy on and go. Like, she is really good, and she is a human wig. She is human. She doesn't shed, she doesn't get tangled or anything like that. And I do want to flat iron this hair just to see what the actual texture is once you flat iron it, to see how straight it comes. But like I said already, it is a 4x4 wig, and she is a loose wave, natural brown or natural black color. The parting is maybe 3 inches, and with it being a 4x4, there's my comb. With it being a 4x4, I'm pretty sure you can part her either way you like. Yeah, see, you can part her however you like, whether you want a middle wig or a side part or whatever the case may be. But I like her as the side part that she came, and I like that it's full of body. She's really good at body. She gives a lot of body. So I hope you guys look at the information down below in the hot box and go check out ATZ Wigs. I will be posting their Instagram and all that down below, as well as the direct link to this video, as well as a direct link to this hair. I give this wig a 9 out of 10. And the only reason why I give it a 9 is because I wish it was a full lace front. I think it would be so much better if it was a full lace front. But with it being a 4x4, it's still freaking gorgeous. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope y'all do understand how much I am really trying to push past losing all of my videos and stuff. But if you guys have any questions, concerns, or comments, leave them down below in the comment section, and hopefully I have answered all your questions, and hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. I love you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.